Today I'm going to be tackling a very common problem this time of year, which is bug guts on the front of your bumper. If you take a road trip or go on a vacation, a lot of times you'll notice when you get back or when you get to where you're going, you'll have the bugs caked on there. And it's a very timely thing. You need to get these off as soon as you can because they are actually acidic. And the longer they sit on the paint, number one, the harder they'll be to remove. Number two, they can also etch into the clear coat and cause a lot of damage. First thing you need is Bug Off by Shine Supply. Another thing that's going to help you is this bug scrubber from the rag company. So those two things together are really going to make the process work a lot easier, a lot better. But I want to show you my process. Let's get started. First step I like to do is to pre-treat this entire front bumper with a diluted rinseless wash. So I'm going to let that soak for 10 minutes and come back with the second step. So it's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to take this hose and spray this bumper down. Take your bug off and just spray the surface down. Spray the surface down, let it sit for 30 seconds. So give it 30 seconds and then we're going to agitate it. I've got my bug scrubber down here in a soapy bucket. It's got this little pattern in it. Get you some soap on there. I'm going to go over here. Start to just lightly slide back and forth here. Some of these put up a fight. And when they do, spray a little bit more Bug Off on them. Just lightly agitate them. They'll start to come off. From time to time, it's a good idea to check the scrubber for bugs. You can see this one picked up a lot. Go back to the bucket and agitate the scrubber against the grit guard to remove them. Pick up some soap. So after a final rinse from the hose, I've inspected this bumper and I got most of the bugs off. The step I'm going to do now while it's still wet is apply Adam's CS3. If you don't know what it is, it's a ceramic infused spray coating that really works well as a drying aid. So I'm going to show that step now. All I use is Adam's CS3 and a plush microfiber towel. You can spray it directly on the surface, but in this case I'm just going to spray it into the towel and just go wiping across because I want to be able to control the areas where I'm applying this. You'll notice how slick this thing feels after you apply this. And I'm just going to flip to a dry section of the towel and buff this off. Really slick feeling now. So yeah, that's my process, and you can tell the bugs are pretty much gone. So we get to the before and after. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I got a lot more videos and content out there, so hit that notification bell. And there's also another video on CS3. If you got time, check that out. Thanks again. We'll see you guys on the next one.